Hey everyone, it is Tim with Bevan Farm, and today I'm going to show you how to charge a golf cart when your actual golf cart charger won't start supplying power to the batteries, like if the batteries got run down too far. So there is a way to actually charge them without using your regular charger because it won't do it. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take the seat off and make it easier to see everything. Give me just 1 second. All right, so I have a 48 volt system. I have 6 8-volt batteries. And so what you're gonna wanna do is get a regular automotive 12 volt battery charger. This is what mine looks like. It's not on yet. But since these are only 8 volts, I need to do more than 8 volts so that the charger doesn't hurt one of these batteries. And so what you want to do is go in a series. You want to go 2 at a time. And so I'm going to start all the way at the beginning because this is my positive and this is what goes to the motor. So what you want to do is you want to hook up to the positive terminal with one of the little clamps from your charger. And so you'll need to go to the next battery to the negative. So there's negative on this battery, and this goes over to the positive, but we're gonna go to negative here. And so that is one series right there. And so what you'll do is just turn on your automotive charger, and you know, it might go to 12 or 13 or 14 volts. I just went to about, I guess about 13 volts because I knew that would be enough for my regular charger to start picking it up, because I left this thing sitting for about a month, and when I came back each battery only had about 3 volts, and it just wasn't enough for my real golf cart charger to pick it up. And so I did that. I charged them back up, and so what you'll do is you do this, run it to about 14 volts, and then you will disconnect everything. Let's see, that's disconnected, and then you go to the next series. So then find your positive here. Now let's see, these are so dirty. So that's negative. All right, so this will be positive. You'll hook up there with your first one, and then you will go to negative right here on the next one. So that is your next series right there. And then just repeat the process down here and get it till you get them all charged to, you know, 12, 13 volts or something like that. That's together. I'm sorry, not each, because these are 8 volts. So if it's 13 volts showing, that means it's like 6.5 for each one. So sorry, don't overdo it. I'm not even sure if you can, but yeah, so you just do that. And then when you go to plug in your regular charger, it should find that there are batteries there and get it all going for you. Anyway, hope this helps. Take it easy.